Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Itza,
And I'm Aulia.
and in this video we will be explain about hortatory exposition text. What is hortatory exposition text? Hortatory exposition text is a kind of English text that belongs to the argumentative text. Hortatory exposition is a type of English text which represents the author's attempt to influence the reader to do something or act in a particular way. In hortatory exposition text, the author gives some opinion about certain things to reinforce the main idea of the text. Unlike analytical exposition text, hortatory exposition text presents recommendation in the end of the paragraph of the hortatory exposition text. In this recommendation, the author tries to invite and persuade the reader to do something. This is very different from the analytical exposition, which put reiteration or rewrites the main idea of the text as the closing of the text without invitation or recommendation.
What is the purpose of the text? The main function of hortatory exposition text is to persuade the readers or listeners that something should or should not be the case.
What is the generic structure of the text? This text consists of three parts. It is thesis, argument, and recommendation. Number one is thesis. The description of the introduction of the author main idea about an event, incident, or issue that is raised or discussed. In this section, the author describes his point of view or position on the topic. Number two, argument. In this section, the writer will present some argument or reasons which aim to convince the reader to agree with the writer's point of view. Number three, recommendation. In this section, the author conveys the recommendation, suggestion, or conclusion about what should have happened or been done.
What is the language feature of the text? 1. Focusing on the writer. 2. Using action verb. 3. Using modal verb. 4. Using temporal connective. 5. Using evaluative word. 6. Using passive voice. 7. Using simple present tense. 8. The use of modals and adverbs. 9. The use of emotive words. 10. The use of words that qualify statements. And 11. The use of subjective opinions using pronouns I and we.
We have one example, and the title is Why Students Should Eat Breakfast Every Day. A lot of people, especially young people, go through the day without having breakfast. Many people believe that it is not necessary, or they say that they don't have time for that, and begin their day with no meal. I believe that everyone should eat breakfast before going to their activity. The first reason why you should eat breakfast before going to school is for your health. When you skip breakfast and go to school, you are looking for a disease because it's not healthy to have an empty stomach all day long. It's very important to have a meal and not let your stomach work empty. All you are going to get is gastritis and a lot of problems with your health if you don't eat breakfast. Another reason for eating breakfast is because you need food to do well in your classes. Your body and your brain are not going to function as good as they could because you have no energy and no strength. When you try to learn something and have nothing in your stomach, you are going to have a lot of trouble succeeding. A lot of people think that they should not eat because they are going to feel tired, but that's not true. Breakfast is not a very big meal, and on the contrary, you're going to feel tired if you don't have breakfast because you have spent the entire previous night without food.
The last reason to have breakfast every day is because you can avoid disease if you eat some breakfast in the morning. if you don't eat, you are going to get sick, and this disease will have a stronger effect on you because you are going to get sick easier than people who have breakfast every day. You have to realize that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and you cannot skip it without consequence for your health, your school, and your defense mechanism. It is better to wake up early and have a good breakfast than run to school without eating anything. It is time for you to do something for your health, and eating breakfast is the better way to start your day. That's it for the video. We hope you understand more about hortatory texts, and thank you for watching. See you later.